Hello everybody, my name is Sharon George and today I will be explaining a C++ program to you. So let's just take a look at the question. So that's our question, the fourth one. I hope you can see it. Create a structure named apartment that contains data fields to hold the number of bedrooms, the number of baths, and the monthly rent for the apartment. Write a program that creates an apartment object and prompts the user for number of bedrooms and baths desired. Determine the rent from the following table and set the rent field appropriately. If a requested apartment type is not available, set rent field equal to 0. So 1 bedroom, 1 bath, $650. 1 bedroom, 2 baths not available. 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, $829. 2 bedrooms, 2 bath, $925. 3 bedrooms, 1 bath not available, and 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, $1075. And if any other entry other than this is being given, you have to display an error message if the entered data is invalid or if no apartments are available with the requested combination. So I hope you understood the question, but for those who didn't, let's just try to understand the question. So you have to create a structure named apartment with certain variables like bedrooms and bathrooms and monthly rent, and you have to display the rent if the requested combination is available. The user will enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms desired, and you have to display if it is available or not. If it is available, you have to display the monthly rent, and if it is not available, you have to show not available. And if the entry is invalid, you have to show an error message stating invalid entry. So I have made a program here in code blocks. Let's just go to the program to have a better understanding of the question. So you begin with the header file, #include iostream, and the standard library file using namespace std. So the main aim of the program is that you should know structure. So I have created a structure called apartment here. Inside the structure, I have initialized certain variables. Int be, that is be is for bedroom, int ba is for bathroom, and double m is for monthly rent. And I have closed the structure. I've also declared the structure variable a here, as you can see. Then you begin with the main. Inside the main, I've given label L. You will understand the purpose of the label at the end of the program, so we will come back to that at the end. You've given a cout statement here, enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms, and a cin statement to store the values of bedrooms and bathrooms. Here, since the variables are structure variables, to access them, you have to give the structure variable name dot the variable name initialized inside the structure. So that is a.be and a.ba for bedroom and bathroom. So now just go back to the question and see the table. So there are certain values of bedrooms and bathrooms and certain rent declared for those. So for these kind of question, what you have to use? It will be better if you use else if statement, right? So let's go back to the program and see what we have done. So given if here, if a.be equal to 1, this is the logical AND operator, and a.ba equal to 1, then a.m, that is the monthly rent, is equal to 650, and then a cout statement, right? Else if a.be equal to 1, logical AND operator, a.ba equal to 2, cout not available. That's not available. It's given in the question, right? Similarly, again, else if a.be equal to 2, logical AND a.ba equal to 1, a.m is equal to 829, and the cout statement. Else if a.be equal to 2, logical AND a.ba equal to 2, a.m is equal to 925. That's also given in the question along with the cout statement. Else if a.be equal to 3, logical AND a.ba equal to 1, cout not available. Else if a.be equal to 3, logical AND a.ba equal to 2, cout, the monthly rent is, okay, here I haven't given so let's give the value here. Let's just go back to the question and see what is the value for 3 and 2. For 3 and 2, it is $1075. So I've made a mistake there. We will change it. Okay, fine. That's it. And else cout invalid entry. This is if none of the conditions are being matched, then you have to display an error message stating invalid entry. Now, After invalid entry, I've given a go to statement, go to L, and this L is being labeled above. Okay, so if the entry is invalid, then you have to display the statement again. Which statement? Enter the number of bedrooms and bathroom. So for that purpose, I've given label L here. Okay, I hope you understood that. Now let's just see how the program works. Enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Suppose if I enter 2 and 2, the monthly rent is $925, right? You can see the monthly rent is $925. There is a lack of space there. So can we edit that? Right. So now let us see if that works or not. So that's perfect right now. The monthly rent is $925, right? Suppose if I give an entry that's invalid, so that's not available. So let's see what it's going to display. 6 and 7. Invalid entry. Now because of the go to statement, it displays the statement again. Enter the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. So this time if you enter something valid, 2 and 3 is also not available. So that's again an invalid entry. So you again get it. So if I enter 2, 2, then it's being displayed. So that's it. I hope you understood. Thank you.